Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the mysterious book in Grand Peace Online. This guide will walk you through the entire process, making it easy to understand and follow. Obtaining this special book is a crucial step for unlocking powerful new abilities, so let's dive right into the details and get you started on your adventure to acquire it. Your journey to find the mysterious book begins with confronting krakens. These massive sea beasts are the key to acquiring the item. You'll need to venture into the open seas and seek them out. Be prepared for a challenging fight, as defeating these creatures is not always easy, but it's the most direct path to your goal. The mysterious book has a drop rate of about 10 to 30% from krakens, meaning it might take several attempts to acquire. Don't get discouraged if it doesn't drop immediately. Persistence is key. Additionally, to fully utilize the book and start its associated quest, you must have the gum fruit equipped. This is a vital requirement for progressing. After successfully obtaining the mysterious book, you're ready for the next exciting phase of your adventure. This book initiates a crucial quest line that, upon completion, will grant you access to the formidable Gear second ability. This powerful upgrade significantly enhances your character's capabilities, making all your efforts worthwhile. Good luck on your journey.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.